Welcome to the channel. I'm over at my brother's garage again working on my bike. I want to show you an item I purchased. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. Just a little item, cheap, to maybe dress up your bike a little bit different. Let me show you what it is. Okay, on your headlight, all right, you have this plastic side piece here, all right. It's kind of like a matte plastic. I had some lights on here, so I had to drill holes in there, so I want to replace this because these little rubber things would be filled, you know, I didn't want to, these rubber things will probably fall out, and I don't want to, you know, have these holes seen, all right? So I ordered something. I ordered new side pieces, okay? Side panels for the headlight. Instead of having just the matte black, I have they're more of a shiny black. So if you want to just like dress up your bike a little bit, it's just a little minor touch to detail, a little bit shinier. So what do you think? You know, shiny instead of matte. What do you think? Quick, easy install. So I'm going to put these on. Of course, you'll have to take off your fairing. And I already have it off. And then if you have your original stock headlight, these just screw in. They just have screws right here, and you just need to take out the screw and the screw. I have an aftermarket headlight now, so these are bolted on, so I will have to untake these bolts off. So after that, I will get ready and show you what it looks like afterward. Okay, I have the bike all put back together, but first, before I show you what it looks like all put back together, if you haven't already, hit all those buttons. You know, the subscribe, the bell, and the thumbs up. All right, let's show you what it looks like all put back together. Bam. See? There you go. A little bit shinier, I think. What do you think? Just a little bit, just a little added touch instead of that matte. Couple bucks, easy to do. What do you think? I don't know if you can't really see on this side because it's darker. I think the bike's coming along pretty good, you know? Easy peasy. All right, simple, easy video today. Just a little minor addition to the bike. Something simple. You would never think of it. I wouldn't have. You know, just changing out the side panel on your headlight from a matte black to a glossy black. Just minor detail. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. It is an affiliate link, so I will make a small commission at no extra charge to you, just to let you know. But you all know, just these minor changes to the bike, it makes it your own, you know, changing out these little things here and there. But anyway, that's the end of my video, and it's you know, and it's getting to be spring out there, so hopefully I'll be out on the roads there soon. Till next time, stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.